Hello beautiful people, welcome to Cook with Asimi. In today's video I'm showing you how to make this crispy yummy granola which can be used for your everyday snack and also for your yogurts. So you will need fruits. For this I'm using apples and coconut. So please ensure you properly rinse your fruits before you use. So I'm going to use this tool to just grate the coconut into smaller chunks. You want it to look like this so that it will be easier for you to roast. Then I'm going to slice the apples into smaller pieces. Then use this grater to just grate it. You want those apples to look thin. Yes, this is exactly what you want. So in a non-stick pan I'm going to add my coconut slices into it. What are we doing? We want to roast it. We want it to look and taste like coconut flakes. So I'll just roast this on low heat. Please, low heat. You will notice that it will start changing color and it will be dry. So you can see I'm just using my wooden spoon to mix it, to just stir it in the non-stick pan. I think this is enough. So yes, to the coconut flakes. Then I'm going to use this oats, this quick cooking white oats. If you don't have rolled oats, use this. It's still the same granola. Then I'm going to measure it out. For this granola recipe, I'll be using 2 cups of Quaker oats. It will still come out delicious. So whatever the oats is still granola you're making. After measuring this out, I'm going to set it aside and prep. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of oil and 1/4 cup of honey. And then I'm going to use a spoon to mix it together. What I actually realized is that honey and milk and oil, they don't mix together. Look at it, I'm trying so hard, but it's not mixing. At this point, I just give up because you have to give up. So this is almond nuts. I'm going to be adding it to the oats, and then I'm going to use my wooden spoon to mix it together, and then I'll add the honey and oil. While we adding this, it gives me more flavor, and the honey also add to the sweetness of the granola. You know, this is natural, healthy, no added sugar, no added additives to it. Everything is natural, and that's why granola is really healthy. If you've not been taking granola, please start now. Yes, is a very healthy breakfast choice you can do at home. Then I'm just going to ensure I mix everything together. You can see there's still a remaining dry part of the oats, but no, we want everything to be soaked in oil and honey. The more the honey you add, the more sweeter it is. So you are just going to do this based on your own personal preference. I'll be adding apples to this, the grated apples. Don't mind me that this apple changed colors, is because it was exposed to air. So you're just going to stir it properly. You ensure it's incorporated well, and you can see how this healthy granola is coming together. Then in my non-stick pan, I'm going to spread out the granola to make it crispy and crunchy for that deliciousness. You understand? If you don't have an oven or an air fryer, you can use this method as I'm just showing. Just spread it out, ensure that there is no space, maximize everything in this pan. Then you are now going to use your wooden pan to just stir it. We are doing this because you want both sides to be crispy. Do you understand? We want to air dry all the water contents from this oats to make it into a healthy granola. So I'm just going to use my wooden spoon to just switch sides, and you can see that this is actually changing color. This is what you want. So I'll be adding the dried coconut flakes to this. I think this is enough because it's already dry. So I'll just take it off the fire and set it aside. So you can see how this granola is looking. This is how you want it to be. And I'll just get the coconut flakes and just mix it together with it. Look how beautiful this is looking. So what we are going to do is that we're going to ensure we store this in a tightly sealed container to maintain its crispiness. Please don't forget, ensure you allow it to cool down and then you store in this type of container. And you enjoy this granola when you place it on your Greek yogurt and you eat, and I promise you it has an heavenly and healthy feeling. Thank you so much for watching.